Chuck Yeager breaks the sound barrier. October 14, 1947. On October 14, 1947, U.S. Air Force pilot Chuck Yeager made history by breaking the sound barrier, flying the Bell X-1 rocket plane at a speed of Mach 1.06. This groundbreaking achievement opened the door to supersonic flight, pushing the boundaries of aviation and advancing human capabilities in air travel. Yeager's flight demonstrated that manned aircraft could safely fly faster than the speed of sound, a feat many thought impossible. His pioneering achievement laid the foundation for future developments in military and commercial aviation. What do you think was the greatest impact of Yeager's flight? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.